Hello and welcome to the news bulletin on Goa 365 with me, Amanda Alfonso. The German minor girl who had been shying away from deposing against Rohit Monserrat for the last 3 weeks finally made her appearance at the JMFC court in Mapsa on Saturday to place on record her statements in the case. Meanwhile, Advocate Iris Rodrigues informed the media that the minor girl had now agreed to undergo a medical examination. Moving on, the Central Election Committee of the Bharatiya Janata Party on Friday evening announced its candidate for the Pale by-elections.
Dr. Pramod Sawant, a young medico who resigned from government service early this year to pursue a political career, was chosen as the candidate to represent the BJP at the Pale by-election that has been necessitated due to the demise of the sitting Congress MLA Gurudas Gavis in June this year.
Name for Bharatiya Janata Party Pali by-election candidate has been declared yesterday by Bharatiya Janata Party Central Election Committee, and the name is Dr. Pramod Sawant. We, Goa Bharatiya Janata Party, had sent 2 names finalizing in our state election committee of BJP. And we had sent both the names for the consideration of Pali by-election candidates, as Central Election Committee is in the process of finalizing the candidates for the various other states. Yesterday, the name for the Pali by-election for Goa has been declared by the Central General Secretary of Bharatiya Janata Party, Shri Anant Kumar.
Meanwhile, a delegation of the Bharatiya Janata Party led by the state party president Shripad Naik, the leader of the opposition Manohar Parrikar and other office bearers of the party met the governor, Dr. S.S. Sidhu, on Friday as they presented him with a memorandum demanding the immediate dismissal of the state government and holding of fresh assembly elections.
याच गोष्टी बरोबर आमची मागणी जी आशिल्ली म्हणजे सरकार हे जे काय काँग्रेसचे सरकार आसा, काँग्रेस एलायन्सचे सरकार आसा, हे सरकार गोंय सांबाळपाक तांचे कडेन जायना आणि म्हणून सरकाराकच बरखास्त करचें अशी आमी तांचे कडेन मागणी केली.
Briefing media persons, the state president of the BJP, Shripad Naik, said that the law and order problem in the state was due to the non-functioning of the ruling Congress alliance government.
सगळी प्रकरणां लॉ एंड ऑर्डर जी परिस्थिती गोंयांत जाल्ली आसा म्हणजे आज चोरी बिरी गोष्टी आसात, परंतु ज्यो काही गोष्टी गोंयांत घडूंक जायनाशिल्ल्यो अशे तरेची गोष्टी ह्या 2-3 म्हयन्याचे गोंयांत घडल्यात. सरकार म्हणजे चीज ही नांवांक उरूना आनी अशें तरेन चल्लें जाल्यार गोंयचें कितें जातलें हें तांच्या लक्षांत आमी हाडून दिल्लें आसा आनी तांचे कडेन रिक्वेस्ट केल्लो आसा की तुमी हे ज्यो काही अशे तरेच्यो घटना गोंयांत जातात ह्यो घटनांचेर तुमी लक्ष दिलें ना जाल्यार हें सरकार हे खरोखरूच लोकांचे बरें करपा येवजें खरें गोंयचो सत्यानाश करतले अशे तरेची मागणी आमी तांचे कडेन केल्ली आसा.
Replying to a question, Mr. Naik said that fresh elections were the only solution to the existing chaos in the state.
आमी डिमांड आतां पर्यंत केल्लो आसा की ह्या बसपुरी आमकां इलेक्शनां वचपाक जाय हे सगळें कांय फुडें जनतेचे बरें हातूंतल्यान कांय निश्चित जावपाना.
The leader of the opposition, Manohar Parrikar, said that they had provided the governor with confidential information which would help the governor to take the right decision.
गोष्टी म्हणून सांगले काही गोष्टी आम्ही डिस्क्लोजूय करूंक शकना, काही कॉन्फिडेन्शियल गजाली गव्हर्नराक आमी सांगलेल्या आनी तांचो आमकां गव्हर्नर अपियर्ड टू बी सिरियस अबाउट द ब्रिफींग. आमी जे ब्रिफींग म्हणून आमी गव्हर्नराक कितें सांगलां, पयलीं तूं सारकें टोटल रिपोर्ट सारको घे ह्या गजालींचेर आमी ज्यो गजाली सांगल्या.
The Goa Industrial Development Corporation on Friday decided to convert the Betul Food Park into an industrial estate.
हे सांगू बेतूल जे फूड पार्क स्ट्रोक इंडस्ट्री इस्टेट जे आसा ताका आयज आमी बोर्डान अशें डिसिजन घेतला की बेतूल इंडस्ट्री इस्टेट्स हेजे फुडें नांवां बेतूल इंडस्ट्री इस्टेट म्हणून तें नांव उरतलें.
Briefing media persons, the chairman of the GIDC, Chandrakant Kavlekar, provided the reason for the decision.
कित्याक फूड पार्क म्हणटकीच अनेक प्रश्न असे येतात की फूड प्रोसेसिंग युनिट सगळेच थंय आसतले काय कितें, पूण तशें ना. आमी टायम टू टायम सांगलेलें आसा की आनी पयरूच आमचे आख्खी गोंयभर जे फूड प्रोसेसिंग पार्क म्हणून खंय घालपाक शकता अशें म्हणून जे फूड प्रोसेसिंग मिनिस्टर जेन्ना गोंयांत आयिल्लो सुबोधकांत साय आख्खे एंटायर गोवा त्यांनी हे केल्ले की फूड प्रोसेसिंग युनिट खंय घालू शकतात.
He further said that the new industrial estate would consist of only non-polluting industries.
आता आमी डिसायड केला की थंय
नॉर्मल
इंडस्ट्रियल स्टेट जशे नॉन पोल्युटेड नॉर्मल इंडस्ट्रियल स्टेट सगळ्यो येतल्यो जेणे करून सगळ्यो जे ऑल टायप्स जावं त्यो फार्मा जावं जे ते एप्रिल म्हळ्यार गार्मेंट्स जावं IT सगळ्यो नॉन पोल्युटेड जे अशे इंडस्ट्री येतल्यो.
The managing director of GIDC, A.V. Palekar, said that they would allot plots to the industries only after the completion of the basic infrastructure at the site.
When full infrastructure is ready, then only plot should be allotted.
Correct.
This is the feeling expressed by the board. So though there are inquiries, we have not started accepting applications nor started a process of allotting. So we will first prepare the layout for the industrial estate, go for that infrastructure, and once infrastructure is ready, then we will start allotment of plots.
Mr. Kavlekar further informed that 2.5 crores had been allotted for developmental works at industrial estates across the state.
बाकी जे व्हेरियस इंडस्ट्रियल स्टेट म्हणून सगळ्यांनी मिळून आम्ही अनेक डेव्हलपमेंटल वर्क्स घेतलात म्हणजे इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर सगळे अराउंड 2.5 कोटीची.
Deepak Desai, the Deputy Collector and Subdivisional Magistrate of Salseth Margao, on Friday ordered a halt to the purportedly illegal hill cutting that was being carried out at Sonfator, Kamurli by a builder.
TCP परमिशन दिला. आता TCP परमिशन वायलेट जाता काय ना ते TCPन पळोवपाचें. पंचायतीन परमिशन दिला तो म्हणटा कन्वर्शन रेजिडेन्शियल घेतला आनी थंय शोरूम घालता. सद्या काय शोरूम घालता काय म्हाका काय खबर ना. सो हिल कटिंग परमिशन इज देयर, पंचायत लायसन इज देयर, ऑल थिंग इज देयर. But for the time being, because people has to come, I will ask him to stop it just to verify all the documents. All other technical he has to approach to all the other departments.
A large assembly of villagers had first gathered at the police station in Maina Kurturi on Friday, demanding that the hill cutting activity at Sonfator be immediately stopped, after which they approached the subdivisional magistrate of Salseth Margao. It was also alleged that the owners had sold his land without informing the tenants.
तुका भाडकारांक काय सांगलं ना?
भाडकारो येयल्यार दीस पडना आनी हे घेवनच पळय आमचे रस्ते आहा.
भाडकारांक कोणा सांगला? तुमकां काय सांगला कांयचे?
Speaking to Goa 365, Sanjeev Raiturkar, General Secretary of the NGO Goa for Goans, as well as the Sarpanch of Kamudle, Basilio Fernandes, held the chief town planner responsible for the illegal hill cutting activity.
जेन्ना हिल कटिंग म्हणटा तें समज जर अशें परमिशन दिवन जर करपाक लागले जाल्यार हिल कटिंग ऑब्जेक्शन म्हणटा स्टॉप करचें. हिल कटिंग ऑब्जेक्शन करून फायदो ना. अशी परमिशन ऑफिसांनी बसून दिवपाक लागले जाल्यार वी कंडेम दीस एक्ट ऑफ मिस्टर मुराद, हू इज अ चीफ टाउन प्लॅनर, हू स्टार्टेड गिविंग दीस हिल कटिंग परमिशन जस्ट लायक दॅट फॉर द बिल्डर. Tenants and the Munkars, without settling, owner has sold his property. He has on the survey plan, you can clearly see the existing houses here on the survey plan, which has of mud at that time. Before selling the property, the owner has demolished this and sold the property, and their names are existing in other rights column. So this is a big fraud there as far as the panchayat is concerned, as far as the government offices are concerned.
Hill cutting, as per me, I would say it is not hill cutting, but still there is cutting, and to that TCP Panjim has given them permission, and that's the authority. We don't give permission for hill cutting.
Goa 365 learned that the hill cutting activities are being carried out to make way for a vehicle showroom in the area.
Ravi Naik, the Minister for Women and Child Development, along with the Santa Cruz MLA Victoria Fernandes and the Director of Women and Child Development Sanjeev Gadkar, visited Apnagar, the juvenile remand home in Mercedes on Friday, following a recent incident in which 5 male inmates escaped through the windows of the home.
Explaining how the boys had fled from the home, the Minister for Women and Child Development Ravi Naik spoke about the initiatives being taken to trace the boys.
ते भुरगीं कितें आसा वयर जे आशिल्ले विंडो मोडून गेले ते विंडो म्हणजे ते लॉक कोणाचे ते तांकां विंडो ते आशिल्ले ग्रील ते ग्रिलाचे ते म्हाका खूब दीस लागले तांकां मोडपाक ते प्रॅक्टीस बरी केली आसतली तेणे मोडून थोडी गेले भायर कोर्टाचे प्रमाणे आनी ती भुरगीं आमी कितले म्हण तांकां अशें तितले फ्री दवरलेले आसा तांकां अशें लायक पुलिसान केस रजिस्टर केल्ली आसा ते हांगसर आयले नंतर पुलिसान केस रजिस्टर केल्ली आसा पुलीस तांकां पयतले खंय गेले ते भुरगे आसा ते कर्नाटकाचे.